Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to verify your InstaForex account. So right now we just created an account and we are using a demo account, but we want to verify your account. So right now here standing your profile has not been verified yet, so we can click here to see what is missing. So from here, first of all, what we need to do, now we need to click on this. All right, yes. You can read everything if you don't want to click on it. Now we can also click on accept all and then we do continue. And then after this, we click here again on see what's missing. And then from here, you see here on your right screen, your profile is not verified. So they need an ID, passport or driver license, a proof of address, your main questionnaire and your profile. So if you want to start verifying, start with uploading your main questionnaire right here. Then we go back. And if you did that, we click on verify profile now. Then you need to verify right here with the InstaForex. So if you click on continue, you need to verify with your ID. So click here on start verification, agree and continue. Select here the type where you want to verify with. Now let's say we want to verify with driver license. And then you need to upload your front side and your back side. Then after that, when you did that, you need to verify your address to them, and then after that you verified your account. So hopefully this is the video where you was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.